Hello everyone, Jake Fugit here with Smartland Residential Contractors, and today I'm coming at you with our best basement remodeling tips for 2019. Have you already broken all of your New Year's resolutions? Why not try one that's actually easy to do and will make your whole family happy? This new year calls for a stunning new look for your basement, and we've got some great remodeling tips to help you get started. Tip number 1, reconsider the use. Remember that when you're creating your basement remodeling plans, you should assess the space around you to see how you can best use it. You don't want to go overboard and turn it into something that actually steals space away rather than utilizes it. Number 2, if you observe any missing elements, go for the full construction. Many homeowners are lucky enough to buy modern homes that are already equipped with basements that have good ceiling and floors. However, many homeowners still have to start the basement overhaul process from scratch. If you go the full construction, you get more creative freedom with your project. However, it's going to take more time and it's definitely going to cost more. However, if you observe any problems with your HVAC system, electrical system, or your plumbing systems, don't shy away from a full construction. Number 3, declutter as much as possible. If you're planning on remodeling your basement, you need to declutter. As we said before, it's a 2019 trend to add more space to your basement. Start with the larger objects, such as your furniture or your shelving that you can push and organize against the wall. Then follow up with the smaller items, such as your lamps, your end tables, or your stools. So remember, decluttering is the key to making as much space as you can for your basement. Number 4, add just a touch of technology. These days, homeowners are going above and beyond to change the look and functionality of their spaces. They're integrating and using technology in their basements to create a fun and unique space for themselves. These days, everything can be integrated into technology. These things include your locks, your lights, and even your Wi-Fi, and they can all be controlled just by using one app. Number 5, pay extra attention to the flooring. Most basements these days require a little bit of extra material into the flooring. You want to make sure that you pick one that is attractive, long-lasting, and insulating. Laminate is a great example of a flooring that is both cost-effective and long-lasting. Number 6, pick the best time of the year. If you're planning to reconstruct or remodel your basement, you can pick any time of year, even winter. Spring and summer are definitely the best months for construction, but if you choose to do it in winter, contracts are probably more readily available. And also during winter, there's a much lower chance for mold growth. Thank you so much for watching our favorite tips for basement remodeling in 2019. Feel free to continue reading down below or check out some of our other blogs. Remember to follow us on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is Jake Fugit for Smartland Residential Contractors, and I'll see you next time.